Wait, what's that video?
What? How do my password wrong? No, it's not.
I believe it's a sign of weakness. But just so you know, in my head, I am laughing right now. I'm laughing so hard, I'm literally...
Wait, seriously? Enough is enough.
Why?
Because it's annoying.
I'm bored.
Well, it's almost time for bed.
No, I go to bed at like 10 something.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Stop!
It's downloading.
What are you getting?
Don't waste it on.
What, a song?
It's a new game.
Oh. Kendall, look up here. Kendall, look up here. Kendall, look up here. You're in a YouTube video. Yes!